Hi everybody, it is me, Dean Z, speaking to you from someplace other than my basement. I'm actually sitting in my favorite file reading chair. Several of you have written in to suggest that what might be useful is to have me go through the exercise of reading actual applications from beginning to end, assessing the strengths and the weaknesses, what's working, what's not, and letting you see the process unfold as a whole. So far in the vlog, we've talked about particular elements of the application, delving in deeply to one item or another. And that's important. An application obviously consists of these multiple items strung together, but it is greater than the sum of its parts. You really need to think about an application as a rhetorical whole. And one way for an applicant to step back and do that for themselves is to see it being done for someone else. So, with that in mind, I'm going to give this a whirl. Thanks in advance to those of you who have already given me permission to take apart your application for the benefit of future applicants. I really appreciate it. If you are watching and you would like me to do it for your application and you've applied in a recent cycle, you've already gotten a decision, I would be happy to consider it. Just send us an email at law.jd.admissions@umich.edu and I'll take it under advisement, as we say in the law. All right, without further ado, let's give this a whirl, shall we?